Welcome back. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets behind feeling constantly exhausted. If you find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of the day, we've got some valuable information for you. Are you treating your body right?
Let's start by examining 3 essential pillars of health: sleep, diet, and exercise. These 3 pillars of health are interconnected and can significantly impact your energy levels.
Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Consume a nutritious diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein, and incorporate physical activity into your routine. Have you ever heard of anemia? It's a condition that affects the oxygen-carrying capacity of your blood. Consulting with your doctor and undergoing a simple blood test can help determine if anemia is contributing to your fatigue. Did you know that diabetes can contribute to your exhaustion? Although the exact reasons are not fully understood, the frequent changes in blood sugar levels can consume significant energy reserves. Fatigue is a common symptom of diabetes, often accompanied by excessive thirst and frequent urination. Your thyroid gland plays a crucial role in energy regulation. An underactive thyroid can cause sluggishness, slow reflexes, and impaired cell functioning.
A blood test to check thyroid hormone levels can provide insights into the potential impact on your energy levels.
Fatigue can also be a symptom of heart disease, particularly congestive heart failure. It is a condition where the heart doesn't pump effectively, often manifests with extreme tiredness, particularly worsening during exercise. Swelling in the arms or legs and shortness of breath may also accompany this condition. A silent thief of energy host, unexplained daytime sleepiness? Brief moments of waking up due to inadequate carbon dioxide elimination can prevent you from entering the restorative REM sleep stage. Ladies, if you're going through menopause, you might be familiar with the struggles of getting adequate sleep. During menopause, hormonal changes can disrupt sleep patterns for women. Night sweats and hot flashes can interfere with quality sleep, leading to daytime fatigue. Depression can cause fatigue and exhaustion due to imbalances in brain chemicals, including serotonin, which regulates the body's internal clock. It can lead to decreased energy levels and disrupt sleep patterns, making it difficult to fall asleep or causing early morning awakenings. Don't subscribe for more.